Worried about encountering narrow parking spaces? For this type of spot, you only need to focus on one key point to park smoothly. First, drive forward as close as possible to the parking space. When you can see the entire front of the car next to the space through your left side mirror, stop. If the parking spot is on the left, turn the steering wheel to the left and start reversing. While backing up, pay attention to both side mirrors. If the left side looks safe, check the right mirror or the rear view camera. Once you notice the rear of your car getting too close to the vehicle behind, stop reversing. Straighten the steering wheel, shift into drive, and move forward slightly to create more space at the back. Then, turn the wheel fully to the left again, shift into reverse, and continue backing in carefully while checking both mirrors to avoid hitting nearby cars. When your car becomes parallel with the parking lines, straighten the wheel and continue reversing slowly. Your car will fit perfectly into the space.